0206812558 0206812558
Adonko next level energy drink papa
doc we adwuma
pa
ndia
atenase
ya yi kwan no ntino obetimi afa so
emuda o oba join Facebook Angel FM Kumasi 96.1 Angel FM Kumasi 96.1 oba join Facebook CCA o join ya adekronti adebie ya na enwu hia so oba join Facebook no yenim sem utie by nyoma na ya edigu Facebook no ema ntiase no eye easy ema unim de wo football nim no emu bie bebre ento join Facebook a Angel FM Kumasi 96.1 Adonko next level energy drink Adonko next level energy drink premium omadaro mani atena se yeden sem neba Adonko original hand sanitizer papa panti join Facebook Angel FM Kumasi 96.1 then mama sha se mfemfre nu a game e course wo Alliance Arena Bayern Tnefie elusu 3-2 na e game a na bibia chese goal se be flow sa game we mu. The reason why I not get a goal se be flow sa game near one. So which two teams are non besi akanya. A teams are traditionally omo offensive. Omo ba attacking game. Omo nye team o defend it. Coaches omo coaches are two teams no Pochettino no Hansi Flick. Omo yes our players na. Omo yes our coaches are. Omo ye typical offensive coaches. And this all chess our games e course na sa two teams no be bre wo ho. So what take Bayern team na? Already a dikia kasa Bayern. A bad dear friends the monumental classic approach. Me pacho join me Facebook. Yete kwa Yasaba. And to join the Facebook says Angel FM Kumasi 96.1. Join the Facebook. Yasaba yete kwa kakrebi Yasaba says
the monumental classic
yes.
approach.
Yachire mu dada but maybe you say obi first time at OTN, you obi first time at Ochenye. Yaka many times say Bayern born now more born under Hansi Flick. Sa monumental classic approach awakofa di aba Bayern no. Osuye free Manchester City for assistant coach. Juan Manuel Lilo. On Manchester City for assistant coach. And when Hansi Flick ekosuya na ade no. Ano di aba be wura Bayern team no. And this all check Bayern team na fit is Hansi Flick buy no. They be the Bayern share almost a lot of goals because of the approach a coach ni di aba. It means say so when Bayern kosi akanya. Bayern left fullback, right fullback, ebe join the attack. Ni two center midfielders, join the attack. Ni left winger, ni right winger, cut inside. Or boy a main striker, and no some boy a shadow striker. And anytime be ane Bayern besi akambiano, omunya a lot of players. Our position 10. The reason why you Bayern, it creates a lot of chances, almost a lot of goals.
Okay.
The monumental classic approach, of course you have free. One man only Lu on a Man City for assistant coach. And to which game then Bayern Fonya 31 total attempt to score. And the Chelsea coach Nejumo can say players then on the field of play no. Na Bayern for attack it. Players are also involved in Bayern for chance creation. So mun say go. Choupo-Moting say go. Aon na lead the attack. Abraham Lewandowski see can be. The na obo as a shadow striker. That's Thomas Muller say go. Abraham defense Joshua Kimmich assist. Enya 10 key passes. And the Chelsea Bayern for ye be also be bia. By nyoma mienu na di Bayern fonya. Nyoma mienu ana ama Bayern for entimi win game no. One. Chances no man entimi utilize. And then one is so clear say Bayern for Lewandowski. Don't give them no me witness say no. Nanka ya di anka Lewandowski was a game we anka Bayern beat match more than 6. Yes.
6.
Yes. Omunya 31 total attempt to score. And to which now man may see the services of Lewandowski was a game we mu. Those that Choupo-Moting Thomas Muller mo try some be di ombe ye bia. By say onim say o Lewandowski wo team a onim say oye typical goal poacher or you be oye clinical. Na Bayern for me say the services of a branch defense Lewandowski. And again, adia ba kwa ansa ma Bayern ntimi win game no. Aye kwan ya PSG for so defend ye. Don't for the first time. Among say PSG for a collective defending. And Kenya him say PSG team ne de. Neymar, Mbappe mo end time defending for PSG Boboko no. Ben now check to PSG team na 11 different players. And me clearance. And why are the 11 different players the better so me? Players in 11 obi a clearance. Danilo ye 13 clearance.
On Facebook.
On Facebook.
And the down.
Marquinhos 70 players omo ye clearance ni no and ye di omo di ato no. Marquinhos ye 7. Kimpembe ye 6. Under Herrera ye 5. Dagba ye 4. Idrissa Gana Gueye ye 2. Mbappe ye 2. Moiskin ye 2. Keylor Navas ye 1. Diallo ye 1. Until 11 different players. And ye clearance. Edema team friends say PSG. Awo kabo me ye 46 clearance. Until Nasma say PSG no na buy for create chances no. Obe check kwan na team a. Your friends say PSG for efforts to defend it and then no mo ye collective defending. Obia tries to be defended. Until number 2 and I'm buy for winning. Omentimi and utilize our chances and a PSG for a defending very well. Live for Facebook Angel FM Kumasi 96.1. Don't now be some say crime by soon a PSG for fast social media. Me patch join Facebook. E kwan a PSG for fast social media goes no. Don't na me ni say. Yabo game wie. Na coach a we win no. O try say o try ni players say team we ya okosia ni weakness ni. And bet 3 days ago. Ana Mauricio Pochettino de betu ja say. Was steady Bayern for team no. Na Bayern for team no. Omo ba high defensive line. Enti against Bayern. Ombe utilizes a high defensive line. Enti no PSG for conceding possession. And no PSG for about 39% of all possession. No possession PSG for fanyetri. 39% and omo boy. But dia PSG for year ni say. Bayern for body defense the HDL. That's the high defensive line. And to Pochettino be use Neymar as a link up midfielder and Medica Church a link up midfielder. Obi a oje ball from the deeper area and they connecting the four line player. And you don't start taking PSG 14 then no formation omo use you know. Omo ball 4-2-3-1. Obo Keylor Navas.
And that's one.
Kimpembe, Marquinhos, Dagba, Abdul Diallo, Idrissa Gana Gueye, Danilo Pereira. And Oyusu Angel Di Maria on the right wing. Draxler on the left wing. And Obo Mbappe as the center forward. And Oyusu Neymar behind Mbappe. And then I check baby and Neymar ebo as a number 10 and I say playmaker. Idea or the quantity Pochettino use Neymar as a playmaker here say. So what check PSG 4-4 line a play and vision. I was through. I Neymar. And it's a PSG 4 in terms of the phases of play. There are 4 phases of play. There are the defending phases. Transition to defend, attacking phase, and a transition to attack. And anytime be a PSG for every defending piano. In terms of the transition to attack, and you cast a transition to attacker, and you acquire team, ever first to array organize it at the time of making your winning possession. And anytime be a PSG for every defending piano, almost set a trap and a buy and for high defensive line into Wise and Pachoyenko. PSG for consider defeat, almost press high. And to allow buy and for more push your benim. And to better keep Facebook say Angel FM Kumasi 96.1. Don't say what check red na a Bayern. Omo defenders na push ya Benin ma bedru center. Neymar na ye number 10.
At the PSG post na goalkeeper na green no.
PSG eno na Bayern pool.
Bayern. And omo defenders na
and push ya Benin no.
Red for no.
Yes. And one who say Neymar and the crab na ye number 10. Or as a link up midfielder. And to that time PSG for a year transition to attack.
Okay.
Omo win ball, omo defend, omo win ball. A quick transition. The moment Tabo and Babedu Neymar hono on never connected Di Maria, Draxler and Mbappe. It's why I interest and a graph no. Neymar ever connected our players because say Mbappe, Di Maria, Draxler, or more pace or more power. Now Brent Fence and Neymar, you soon vision. And to don't have say no, Neymar ever connected our players no. Because of the vision on the elbow as a type of midfielder. Okay. And Tiencha Kwaya first go never so by first goal na Mbappe share no don. Neymar na connected Di Maria. And since so check Facebook at Di Maria ne crab no. Neymar as a midfielder, creative midfielder, on now connected Di Maria. Now check the position of Bayern for defenders. Omo ball high line. Omo close to the center. The first goal. And the time at Di Maria J Bono. Why see the second picture? Obo say Brent Fence and Neymar biem. Asa akwa J Bono all connected Mbappe. Enti Neymar biem say connecting Mbappe. And the first goal ne buy. Enti so check baby and Neymar a connecting Mbappe. Aha na the first goal ne buy no. Oh okay. Enti first goal no a result of PSG4 a draw Bayern 4 players abenim abebo high defensive line ana Neymar connected Di Maria wasajebo connecting Mbappe enti the coach ne catch Neymar say ombo as the creative midfielder wa create Maguaba wa first assist
okay
omo use high defensive line beat no
say Neymar fabo na o connected Di Maria no connecting Mbappe say ija because he is pistes me
good ana Neymar na wo vision
yeah
enti oba use na the playmaker enti first goal Neymar and a creative goal
Neymar
yes adwuma no idea coach ne catch omo don't tell me na coach ne kasa players na mini ho by so she game no na o che to aso I want say team ni repeat the same thing I say when na
language
I want say when na coach na kire omo yen check the second goal ama kin o say no
angel
team my friend say Bayern a defenders enter stay in their box team my friend say Bayern defenders enter stay in their box 10 bia no omo pie enti omo pie Neymar ana e connect the akwa brand friend say Marquinhos enti so atwa pie Bayern 4 players ni pie then obe connect a brand friend say Marquinhos the ball betum I say another Neymar as the playmaker wa connect Marquinhos Bayern 4 players ni pie from box nim omo time stay Neymar be yes adwuma no
okay
the last goal Kylian Mbappe lutin the same thing Bayern for no high defensive line ball ni kra Julian Draxler baby a Bayern for David Alaba mo omatrasa center circle then Di Maria na that's Neymar na that's here no obe connect Di Maria then don her Di Maria to Mbappe at the third goal number high defensive line bi enti e coach na dwen ana kire omo enti e game a PSG for no e deserve say omo win sa game we
ene de adwuma na no a wo ye ni nyina enti na me pese obe kasa
mama nye Chelsea de ne kitwa bi
omu game no
yes
omu game no emu ye den sa
yes in the first 45 minutes name wedding ye share game na 30 minutes na obi enim say Porto be she and Thomas Tuchel again after so lose ye Emma pressure ba no so in the Premier League ton coach is omuti football ase so omo read the opponent to na no man for di Thomas Tuchel asem sare no wan use Olivier Giroud over against Chancellor Mbemba over against Pepe so who can use Olivier Giroud as a conventional striker and as a target man Pepe ni Chancellor Mbemba be bule no because obegina be fa akwa twen ball
the coach ni onya
ne right don't say Kai Havertz and Timo Werner who game no so but na the right place no chance because Kai Havertz engina be fa akwa Timo Werner engina be fa akwa but so who can use Olivier Giroud as the lone striker or your target man into obegina be fa akwa in terms of that area battles no only Pepe ni Chancellor member on be no enten na obi kura busa me say wan hu Pepe wo game nim because Kai Havertz na esigina so no onye traditional striker Timo Werner na esigina so onye traditional striker enten na coach ni nya right but oche kwen Chelsea fans so share ni gua don sa Messi Mount no
Chelsea fans no mra Mount say o Mount
that menya abota be no hu adwuma paa yi don time a dogging wo jebo Messi Mount position no or you in between two defenders of Porto. Don't now awareness or they be pick a ball. Doggy when I connected a branch friend say Messi Mount. A corner of so are running in between these two defenders.
I said angle idiot na go mo 4 crown na Porto for near 4.
But baby o rem no o in between two
nim na je.
And angle no this go na enye angle na you close o. What's the angle no? Baby obo no baby a goalkeeper and then baby o shoot ball no lenye close but brand anything manage ya say go no and so tie die joko kan ya o say the Messi Mount na kire no obetima ball under any coach and after the game Thomas Tuchel say abrantie no so o see akan ani say obi anwa ne attitude ne mentality ne seriousness or the real training no and one of the bad group amane so
Mount
yes and this season so Chelsea player back one boy Chelsea pa Messi man kan wo bi me penasem because o si aka any brand hoden on the ball no e different live for Facebook Angel FM Kumasi 96.1 join this say Messi Mount no
angel
don abrante ne de me say da kuma me nya bote enyen ono nko ho adwuma
na apeso obeye
ye be ne nkane
o taye obi ho adwuma tane hype nche ne ma say
o ye English boy
obeye Lindelof obeye Maguire just uba be so man ndi di kakra ma cho ndi kakra na ko fa ba
but and what
Mount we say on say Oba no cool.
Cool, yes.
And I'm a Jumane Cas.
And what the
Timo Nekai,
and no crow say Timo Nekai, so no more Banu. Then say you. By me, I'm Sabbath and I say, only a players are only top players. Intensity expecting much from them. By a branch, almost qualities no more bano. So we know they know we know form there on the perform very well.
Okay.
Messi Mount, there was a Chelsea for the Lampard credit.
Messi Mount. Hey.
Lampard also the Lampard credit.
Police,
police able free bench.
Oh, pulley.
Yes. And adia Thomas to your aye Messi Mount near say you saw about any more trainer. In terms is Pepper so the one say Messi Mount eka front trainer. But game ne share or you soon as the prime mover of Chelsea. On the movie Chelsea team no. On never breaking between the lines. On that time, you are making sure say, Obama tells the team na moving offensively. And to Papa friends, Thomas Tuyo, you sue Messi Mount very well. And then bench will first go. Our Champions League. After say, Jesus Corona, a mistake. Don't have the